Hi guys, my name is Kim Dean. I am a realtor with the Simply Texas Real Group at Real Broker, and I have been using Matt with OneSource Roofing for the last year or so. And one of the things that I really love about working with Matt is that he really cares for our clients the way that we would care for our clients. For example, we had a client last year who was an elderly woman and she needed to have a roof replacement. Otherwise, the home wasn't going to sell. And while she didn't have the funds up front, she appreciated that she could pay at closing. And Matt took care of her, answered her questions, and she felt really comfortable with the whole process, start to finish. So between that, his professionalism, and his prompt response time, he's going to be one of our favorite roofers from here on out. So whenever you find a good business partner, you keep them and you refer them a lot. So thanks, Matt, for all your hard work.
Hey guys, I just want to recommend Matt Albritton with OneSource Roofing. I've known Matt for years now, and he has done several jobs for us. I'm a real estate broker myself, and we have referred quite a few clients to him, and he's just been fantastic. He's been honest with our clients. He has been reasonable with pricing, and just a very trustworthy professional to do business with. So could not recommend Matt more. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions or if I can be a reference.
I just wanted to take a moment out of my day today to let everyone know about the great experience that I had with OneSource Roofing and with Matt Albritton. Everything was seamless. I had a bunch of questions and he was so fantastic about answering all of them. He was so patient, and everything just turned out to be fantastic. We had never replaced our roof before, so it was kind of all new, and it was just a great process. So I would highly recommend OneSource Roofing.
Working with OneSource has completely changed the way that I view working with contractors. It was refreshingly honest, transparent, and just a very pleasant experience. Another thing that was very clear was how Matt cares for his team and their safety. And so that told me that OneSource is a company that cares about relationships. And that's why I highly recommend them to anybody that I know that needs help, that needs work done, or just purely needs some advice.
Hi there, this is Kim Price with Simply Texas Real Estate, and I just wanted to give a testimony to working with OneSource Roofing. As a real estate agent, I always have to get quotes or estimates on roofs, and in my experience, I can have one person tell me the whole home needs a new roof, while another will tell me only a portion of it needs fixed. Working with OneSource, I know that I'm getting an honest answer, that I won't have to call someone back out to verify what was said. I've also used them on my personal home, and the experience was amazing. So thank you, Matt and team. It's a pleasure to work with you.